and today we're going to be learning about the states of matter. Matter is things like solid, liquids, and gases. Those are the most common states of matter. The first is a solid. A solid is molecules tightly packed together. A liquid, on the other hand, is loosely packed and can move around much easier. A gas, on the other hand, is like it can they're barely attached. It's just like everywhere, and they're even looser attached. A solid is something like this table. A liquid is something like this. It can move around more. And a gas is all around us. Today we will focus on liquids. You know, things like water at the pool, juice that we drink, and soap that we wash our hands with, especially these days. Sometimes we can have pure liquids, like water. We can have some fun by mixing different types of liquids. Today we're going to make some mixtures. We're going to be mixing water and oil and dye. And we're going to see what happens. This is food coloring and dye. Dye! Now we're going to do the real experiment. Safety first. Okay. Put the water. Okay, so we're gonna be adding blue, which looks like black, and then we're gonna be adding yellow. Now let's mix it all up to splash it and a match. And it's green. Boop, 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 boop. We're still mixing. Perfect. See this? When we mixed it together, it made green. So blue and yellow water make green. And there's only one phase. Next, we're gonna add the oil. I'm gonna write down my experience and my results from that dye and water. Let's see. Now I'm gonna pour some oil into the beaker. Let's see how the dye mixes with the oil. We have barely any left. Now let's pour a little and pour a little. And now we shake it all out in the smooth and silk. And then we wait. Here are the results. When I mixed the oil and the dye, it made two phases. And boom! Now we're going to be mixing water and oil. See what happens. Boing. oil and water, it makes two phases, like the other one, where I mixed oil and dye. See, there's one phase, you can see it, and there's one phase, you can see it. Let's have some fun by mixing the dye with the oil and the water. And we'll watch it and see what happens. So I take this dye, put it right there. Then take this.
Here, wait for that to go.
And now you wait to put the blue. You'll see it explode into the water. At least that's what I think.
You can put the blue in now, too.
Now, let's put the blue in. Bloop, bloop. 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 You'll see it explode, so we can go on. Oh, it just exploded. See that? Oh, no, that's just a reflection of this. So you'll see it explode soon. So go like poof, right there. Yeah, there we go. Right there, right there, right there. See, it's happening. It's going into the water because that's where it wants to be. It's in the oil, so it's trying to get into the water. And then it mixes really well. Wait. And then it's mixed. Oh, the blue just exploded. It looks like a triangle.
Oh, it just exploded in the water. Mix it. Oh, another one exploded. Now it's going to be dyed water and oil. Mix it up, mix it up. Okay. Hasn't exploded yet.
So cool. When I just, oh wait, push, do that. No, 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 no. Now it's gonna explode much faster. Oh, see, it's all exploding like boom, boom, boom. I wanna go here. How do we know that the dye went through? Well, we know that because this water was green. And we know that blue and yellow make green, so it went through the oil, burst together into the water, connected and made green water. I'm going to write my results down. Watching, guys. Hope you learned something new. I'm sure I did. Catch you guys later. Science Guy out.
With Satan.
Hello guys. Hello guys. My name is Python.